A pilot once went for a routine solo flight across the coastline. The weather was bright and calm when he took off, but suddenly when he reached the deep waters, above the deep waters, he got caught into a terrible storm. He did not know what to do. It was raining heavily. The clouds became so dark that he could not see anything outside his window. And at that time, his only guide was the voice of the air traffic controller coming from his radio. In that moment, he listened to the voice. Whatever the air traffic controller instructed him, he did it step by step until he landed safely on the ground. Later he was asked, and he said, if I had to rely on what I saw, if I had to rely on my strength, I would have not survived. I would have panicked. But trusting the voice guiding me from the ground saved my life. Dear sisters and brothers, like that pilot, we too face moments in life when we have to choose whether to rely on our strength, rely on our experience, rely on our perspectives, or to rely and trust the voice of God that sees the bigger picture, that sees beyond our sight.